So 2.
Okay. For 3, I actually have B, but I'm not.
And for 2, I have B, but I don't know.
Let me go up to 2 and 3 and see what the question is.
Okay. It's it's about confidence intervals.
So with confidence intervals, the terminology is confident, not chance.
That's right. And chance is C. Or chance is C.
Yep, chance is C, confident is B. That's why it's B.
Yep.
So it is B then?
Yeah. Okay, cool. That's what we have. 3C. I have C.
Did you say 3 you had B?
C.
Okay.
3. Okay.
Okay. 4. I have the same. I have C.
I have C too.
5. D.
D.
Okay. I'm thinking I did 6 wrong. What do you guys have for 6?
I have 1.96 for 6, which seemed a little bit strange to me, but I did use the formula. Let me
So
check.
I got double what you got. And let me check to make sure that it's that I did the right sure. Double because because the formula just gives you one end. What do you call it? Per thing has the whole margin of error. There we go. The margin of error is the whole thing from the low end to the high end, not just the midpoint to the low end.
Oh. Okay, and it's saying here.
Oh, so you have to compute both tails.
Yep.
So I'm wrong. You have.
I'm relatively certain on that.
Yeah, let me.
Okay.
So on 6, it's 3.95.
I have to look that up again because I was a little bit farther. Oh, I had a different answer, but I'm not at all confident in it. So the margin of error formula, it's key value times divided by sample.
Yeah.
Okay, so the value wrong. Is that just the for a 95%
no, I think the
confidence
key value
interval?
for 95% is 1.96.
1.96. Okay, that I did that wrong.
You get that is you go to the normality curve thing, 9.5 in the center bracket, and you highlight that, and then you put in the Z score.
That's what I did wrong. I wrong part clicked. That's what it was. Yep, 1.96. Cool. That's okay. So I had the equation right. I just put that in the probability wrong. And I have a different decimal.
I have 99.
In what?
Okay, but the reason I have a different decimal is because my original one was wrong.
So it's okay to leave for 7. It's okay to leave it 0.04, or should we add another 0 because they're asking for the third decimal?
It's a trailing 0. It doesn't matter.
So okay. So
yeah, as long as the last number is a 0 when it comes to decimals, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
If it's behind the decimal point, it doesn't count.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. 8. Okay.
Yeah, I have the same.
Okay. 9.
9, I have 39. But I'm not sure.
Okay. I have 165, so I'm way off then.
And you have 14, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Richard.
Going back to the quiz
Okay.
so that I can see what the question is.
Okay.
For some reason, my computer hates me.
Let me take a look up. You know, you're probably right because it's the same problem as 6 that I had. I was off because it was the sample formula. So you're probably
Yeah, so I think it was 1.96 times 0.1 divided by 0.0001.
right to the second decimal place,
And I think
right?
you take the square root of that.
And then you take the square root of that. That's okay.
Okay.
So
All
I'll
right.
go ahead and
That's yeah, 14 is right. I
might be wrong. You might be what I did. Wait.
think you're correct. Let me just double check. Right.
I'm confused now.
I can't remember if the used is for the confidence interval or for half of the confidence interval. Way, if we turn it in, we'll
Have one. I'll have 39, and then so we'll know because let's see, 14.
Okay. I'm doing something wrong here. Yeah. That's okay.
Which formula are you using? Or
I'm just calculating backwards. I'm using the same it's the same equation, margin of error. Because we know the margin of error, which is 0.0001, which would be equal to the key value, which is 1.96. We are operating under 95% confidence interval, right? Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
0.01, which is the standard deviation of n. So that being, my math is right here. Oh, did you call? Up. Let me call you back here.
Or he got disconnected. Is that why you're?
Okay. Well, he called. Yeah, I guess that's probably why. Hey, oh.
Hey.
Hey,
So my house internet's gone out for the next couple of minutes.
Oh, okay.
Should we leave it as 14, and if we're wrong, we'll just go ahead?
I'm relatively sure I did it right because I was thinking that I might need to. I'm relatively certain I did it right.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're not able to look at the questions.
I might get wrong to you guys, but I'm pretty sure I did it right.
Okay. Okay. We'll just go. I think we'll have to go with that. I'm getting a huge number that I don't think is correct.
Okay. If we're worried about it, I could do it again, but I think we're better off just
moving on.
Yeah.
10. I have
I have
D.
D. Right.
So I had D on 10 as in dog.
Yeah,
So did-
we
yeah.
all had that, and then we
Okay,
have
I
the
thought you
same.
said D.
11,
11, I have B as in boy.
yeah, is in boy all in agreement. Is what I meant.
Mhm.
12C.
Okay.
Okay. 13A.
13.
Yeah, A too.
Okay. 14A.
14. I have A also. C.
15. Richard has C. What do you have?
15. Let me check. I have A on 15. Let's see.
It looks like we all have different answers.
15. I have A. Yeah.
B, reject. This might be D. I think I may have
I was gonna
put it
say
in wrong.
I have D. So the way I got my answer, I'm not sure if it's correct, the correct way or not, but I calculated the margin of error. So
I used
Sorry, I
the.
couldn't hear you very well.
okay. Trying to see how for 15 I calculated the margin of error again, and then saw if it was outside of the margin of error. So, and that probably wasn't the right way to do it, but
No, for this one, just I think what you do is you find out. Just find theta? No. Theta,
mhm.
right? So and then you just plug it. You plug it into the same formula we've been using before,
Which is 15.
and then hold on. So it was. It gives you a number of people, right? I think it's 100. Yeah. So it's 0.17 divided by 10, and that gives you I think the margin of error. So yeah, so 0.17 times 1.96 divided by 10. You guys want me to do the calculation right now?
I got 0.03332.
Yes, that's reject.
Okay.
So I put A, and you guys, Richard, you have.
D.
You both have D.
We both have D. Yeah. D
Yeah.
is in dog.
Same here.
Okay.
For 15,
Yeah.
Richard has C written down.
He wrote it down wrong.
Oh, okay. So
Okay.
you have
16. B.
Same.
okay, B.
Okay. All right. This will go a little faster because you're pretty much the only one from here on out.
Yeah, I only have. That's all I had.
Okay.
Oh, it says that I've got internet again, so I'm going to try reconnecting.
Okay. I can.
Do you want to submit, Richard, since you have them all?
I'm figuring I can submit it for the first if you want. Since Richard did all the work. I'll try the Okay. All right, I've got them all. I'll hit submit here.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what we got. Got an 86. Let me go through here, see which ones we got wrong. Okay. Looks like 6 is wrong. Let me go through and mark these.
That was the one
6.
that you and I different in answers. Remember? Because I
Yep.
marked it on my paper.
Okay. 9 is wrong.
Should we change? What do you guys think
Let me
about
go
changing
through and
that?
let me go through and mark down all the ones that are wrong,
Okay.
and then we can go through each of them. 19. $23, 24, 'kay, and that's it. All right, so 6. All right, so 6 was that one that we had different ones. So
Should we go with 1.96?
I'm thinking that's the right answer. Eliana, I think you had it right.
Okay.
Do you want to why don't we have you submit next?
Okay.
We'll
let
go
me
through
ahead
the
and write them down now. Okay. And
Okay.
9, did we want to go with 39? The 3 of us had different.
Okay. Yeah, whenever I do it, I get a really huge number, but I might be. Okay. Really big number though, because it should be.
Oh, I think maybe I should have squared the number instead of. I think I may have taken the square root of a number I was supposed to square.
I'm thinking that might have been it, because it should be. Yeah, 1.96 times 0.01, and then we should divide that by 0.0001, and then square that. So I have 38,416. I don't know what you guys got.
You did 1.96 times 0.01 divided by
0.0001.
yeah.
Yeah. You said 3 zeros on that, right?
Yep. Okay.
Right.
You did it right.
Right with you, Eliana?
Which number were you? I'm sorry, I had to step out because I had to go check on my daughter. but
Sure. We were going over number 9.
number 9, I changed it to 39, but what did you say your answer was?
So answer we got is 38,416.
But doesn't it say that we have to round it up?
That's a whole number. 38,000.
Oh, 38,000.
460.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can go through it. Do you have a calculator?
Okay.
Do you have a calculator?
I do.
Okay. So you have the margin of error
Yeah.
equation with you, right? Okay. So we know that the margin of error is 0.0001. That's on one side of the equation.
Right.
On the other is 1.96 times 0.01, all divided by the square root of n. Okay. So then we move the square root of n over to the other side. So we multiply 0.00001 by the square root of n, but it's just going to be a placeholder. So then we'll divide, since we got rid of the square root of n, by 0.0001. Okay.
Okay.
So then to get the square root of n should equal 1.96 times 0.01, all divided by 0.0001. Do you have that?
Yes.
Okay. Now we still have the square root of n, so you have to to get rid of the square root, you have to square the other side. So you have to multiply it by itself.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. That
So you
seems,
should
yeah.
end up. So you should end up with 38,416.
Okay, I see. I totally messed up on that one then, because I solved it. I started just the same way you did, but then I missed. And then that's
Okay.
Thank you for going through with me with that.
Sure thing. Okay. Yeah, there's just a little bit of algebra there. Okay. Let's go to 19, see if
Yeah.
we can work it out. Make sure I didn't.
Okay, 19. Determine the margin of error of 95%.
Oh, well, if it's mature,
If it's mature,
if it's margin of error, then I would
then
have
I would
doubled
have doubled
whatever it's saying.
whatever it said.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so it should be 2 point. Let me see here.
2.5.
Yeah. 2.025.
Making
That
the
is
assumption
making the assumption
that I'm assuming that margin of error is double, because we're not looking it up right now. Well, that was a statement.
We
Right
can't
now,
look it
make
up right
sure
now and
that
make sure
that's
that
what it
that's
is
what
if
it
we
is.
want.
Okay. There we go. How did you calculate it?
I threw it in the SPSS.
SPSS.
Check to
Let me
see
check
exactly what I used.
Okay.
I did analyze, compare means, independent sample t-test.
Okay.
And then I
Used
used
assumed
assumed
variance, or equal variances are assumed. If equal variances are not assumed, then it's something, then I've got the answer for that too.
The equal variances are not assumed is what we always go, is what we're supposed to always go with.
Ah, that would be why.
The bottom. Yeah,
The
it's the
bottom
bottom.
one is -423.158.
So it's -4 what? 4 point.
423
423.
point, crap, where did it go?
Or negative
423.158.
419.
Oh, not for 19, this is for 22.
23. It's 23.
Okay. We were okay.
What were you talking about with 19?
That was one of the ones we got wrong. I didn't know if we wanted to look up the thing for 19.
I thought 19.
Oh, well, let's
get the ones that we have, that we, these two, and then we'll go back to that one if you want.
we have that we can go back and look it up.
Okay. 24.
24 is 5,417.256.
Okay. All right. That's all of them.
Okay, let me write that down. You said it was 5,417 point
Point.
256.
Yes.
Right. And I didn't help on 23 because I was trying to figure it, but what did you get for 23? For 23?
-423.15. Is that 158?
Correct.
Negative.
19 should be 2.025.
Okay. And 23 again, it's -423.28.
158.158.
Okay. And then 19. 2.
Should probably look that up.
Look that up.
Yeah, we were gonna look it up real quick, but
okay. I'll go ahead and submit then, and see what.
okay.
Just checking that I have all of them. Okay, we got 6 right, which was the wrong one, right? We got 9 right. And
19.
yeah, 9. I'm looking for 19. My computer's a little bit slow, sorry. We got 19 right. You guys did it.
23.
23. We got 23 right.
And 24 should be right.
24 we got right.
Okay.
You guys are awesome.
Perfect.
Okay. Wunderbar.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ooh. Let's see.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna keep reviewing on my own for a bit. I'll do session tomorrow. I'm home at 8. So if not,
AM or PM? I will call you if I haven't taken the test yet.
okay.
You guys are going to review if you haven't taken the test, you said? If Richard hasn't taken the test?
I'm gonna take it Saturday because I work Saturday and Sunday actually, so I'm gonna need all the time I can to prep for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got another
Exam
that's
that's due on
due
Monday, so
I've
I've got to get this one out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.